Today, we're stepping back in time to an era where creativity in the kitchen became a necessity. World War II. Ever wondered what it was like to dine with Winston Churchill during those challenging times? Well, grab a seat, because we're about to explore some incredible dishes born out of World War II rationing. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouth-watering food stories. Now, imagine the scene. World War II is in full swing, rationing is the norm, and suddenly, your pantry resembles a puzzle with missing pieces. But what did our culinary maestros do? They turned adversity into an art form. Rationing wasn't just a set of rules. It was a culinary adventure, a challenge to transform limited ingredients into mouth-watering masterpieces. Every kitchen became a battleground, and every cook, a wartime hero armed with pots and pans instead of swords. Now, here's the plot twist. Instead of feeling deprived, people got creative. Imagine a reality cooking show where your secret ingredient is a ration coupon. Families exchanged tips, swapped recipes, and turned their kitchens into laboratories of innovation. It was like Iron Chef meets wartime resilience. I can almost hear the sizzle of pans and the clinking of limited kitchen utensils. And hey, who says wartime can't be delicious? The challenge wasn't just about surviving. It was about thriving in the most unexpected way, through the joy of cooking. Let's fast forward to an imaginary dinner with none other than Winston Churchill. Picture this, you, Churchill, and a table laden with wartime delights. Now, Churchill was not only a leader of nations but also a man of refined taste. So, what was his go-to dish during those challenging times? It's none other than the legendary Woolton pie. Yes, I can almost see your eyebrows raise, but bear with me on this. Woolton pie, named after Lord Woolton, Churchill's Minister of Food, was a vegetable-packed marvel. Legend has it that Churchill enjoyed this pie so much that he shared the recipe with the entire nation. Can you imagine that? The Prime Minister moonlighting as a wartime celebrity chef. Now, Woolton pie wasn't just any pie. It was a culinary work of art crafted with whatever veggies were available. It was like Churchill's way of saying, we'll fight on the beaches, and we'll fight in the kitchens. But seriously, it was a symbol of resilience and making the best out of what you had. Now, when we think of wartime, we might not immediately associate it with decadent desserts, but hold on to your taste buds. Enter the unsung hero of wartime sweets, Lord Woolton's pudding. Doesn't the name itself sound like a dessert fit for royalty? Lord Woolton's pudding was a game-changer. Picture this, limited sugar, scarce eggs, yet a dessert that could make your taste buds dance the jitterbug. It was the Houdini of wartime sweets, making something delightful out of seemingly thin air. Now, I couldn't resist trying my hand at this wartime sweet treat. A dash of creativity, a sprinkle of resourcefulness. Let's see if we can recreate the magic right here, right now. Lord Woolton, I hope I'm doing justice to your wartime masterpiece. And there you have it, our journey through World War II rationing and the incredible dishes that emerged from those challenging times. Who knew wartime cooking could be so inspiring and delicious? If you enjoyed this tasty trip through history, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. Until next time, keep exploring the stories behind your favorite dishes, and remember, history never tasted so good. Bon appétit!